Hi friends, I am Shashank Johri. What is this? This is mobile phone. And what is this? This is called specs. So how you recognize the things? First you watch the things and then you take this information to your brain and compare with the pre-recorded information, like some images you have in your brain, and you understand the things after comparing that what is this. So the first part that is helping to your brain is the input part. There are different input parts in your body that help to brain to take the information. One is eyes, second is ear, third is nose, and you have learnt about the sense organs. So some sense organs like your skin also works to take the input. And these input parts help to take the information to your brain, and then your brain understand that what the input is given and what to do. Like if I'm asking what is this, then the brain understands that the question has been asked and I have to recognize the thing and I have to tell about that image or the thing that has been shown. So the brain gives the answer after matching the images and then tells that this is specs and this is mobile phone. So this is the way. Today I am going to talk about input and output devices of the computer, and I have started from the input parts of our brain. Reason that the computer works very similar to our brain. The brain works with input parts and output parts. We have some input parts in our body that help to our brain for taking information. As I told previously, these parts help to see the things, to listen the things, to smell the things, and to sense the things by touching them. So we get the information. Similarly, in the computers, there are some input parts. They help to computer to take the input, like the keyboard that helps to computer giving information in the text form. We can type the text and that information goes to the computer. Similarly, there are some other parts like mouse. Mouse is also an input device that helps to computer to click the things, drag the things, and make some operations that can be done on graphic user interface. The graphic user interface is that interface in which we can see the things on the screen and we can directly deal with them. We can click them, we can double click them to open, and we can drag them like so on. So these are the operations of mouse, and some other input parts are also used with the computer like microphone. A microphone can be connected to the computer and we can input the sound to the computer. So there are various input parts with a computer, and we have various input parts in our human body. Similarly, there are some output parts in human body and computer. See, the human body can give the information by speaking. So in this case, we use the mouth as our output part. We can write the information to show. So when we are writing, our hand is working as output part. Similarly, we can give some expressions, and these expressions also give the information, like I can smile, I can show anger. So these expressions also can be made by using our face. So that is also a visual display output device with our body. So the computer also has various output parts. When we use computer, we can give output in printed form or in display form, visual form, or the sound form. So for different kind of outputs, we use different output devices. Like if we want to see something on the screen that is temporarily to see. So we use a monitor. Monitor screen shows whatever we are working in the computer, or what the input is given to the computer, or what the output is generated using the computer. It can be shown on the screen. So the monitor screen is an output device, and the printer is there with the computer. The computer helps to print the output on the paper. So when we connect the computer with the printer, we can print the information on the paper. So this is an output device. More output devices are there, like plotter. Plotter helps to print big maps or charts or posters on the paper or flex. So this is also an output part. Another part is speaker. The speaker helps to produce the sound as output from a computer. We have more input and output devices, and these all devices work differently. Some input devices help to input the sound, the visual, like webcam is used to input the video information or images to capture. We use a scanner as an input device. The scanner helps to scan the image or text printed on a paper, and that information is given to the computer. So the scanner is an input device. And keyboard, as I told you previously, is used to give text information. And to generate output, we use different output devices. But some devices work as input and output both, like a touch screen. The touch screen is a monitor on which we can see the visuals, and that helps to give the output from the computer. The same time, we can touch the buttons or menu, and we can operate the computer. So when we are using that touch buttons and the menu, then it is working as an input device. So this is about input and output devices, and I hope you will learn practically using these input and output devices, and you will know that how these input and output devices work for giving information to the computer and taking out the information from the computer. In the next video, you will learn how computer works. Keep connecting with us. Thank you.